This channel gets millions of views and the author earns tens of thousands of dollars a month. In this video, I will tell you how to create such videos. Let's get started. First, we need to create hybrid animal images. It's pretty simple. Open the GPT chat and ask, for example, for a hint to create a hybrid of a lion and a shark. Just replace the lion and shark with any other animals you want to combine and get a ready-made hint. Now copy it and use it in an artificial intelligence image generator. I recommend using Leonardo AI to create hybrid animal images. Go to the image creation section and enter the desired text hint. Then select the aspect ratio of 9:16 and click Create. Within a few seconds, Leonardo AI will generate 4 hybrid image options, from which you can choose the most appropriate one. Download the selected image to your computer to save the result. Repeat these steps for each image with hybrid animals. Now let's move on to the second stage. Animation of the created hybrid animals. To complete this task, use Immersion AI. Start by uploading the desired image to Immersion AI, after which you will need to wait a little while for the system to automatically create an animation. Once the process is complete, you will have access to an animated version of your image. At this stage, you can adjust the animation settings to your liking. For example, change the speed of movement, adding more dynamics or smoothness. When everything is ready, export the animated image in the desired format. Repeat this process for each image to create unique animations for all your hybrid animals. So, we move on to the last step. Editing your video in CapCut. Let's start by importing materials. Add animations of hybrid animals and animal images separately, placing them on the timeline so that the video looks intriguing. Put the animal images individually at the beginning, followed by animations of the creatures. This order will help to keep the audience's attention, increasing interest in the video. Now it's time for background music that will bring your video to life. To do this, you can go to the Pixabay website. There are many copyrighted music here. Choose the music that suits your mood perfectly, download it, and add it to CapCut. The music should emphasize the energy of your video and create the right mood. In addition to the main music, add sound effects to make the video more expressive. For example, you can select a separate sound for each hybrid animal. To do this, go to the Audio tab. Select the Sound Effects section. Find the appropriate effect and add it to the timeline at the desired moment. Repeat this for all the scenes with different animals so that each hybrid creature comes to life with its own unique sound. When the main elements are assembled, you can start adding visual effects. Choose several dynamic effects that will highlight key points and add expressiveness and depth to your video. These effects will help to focus on important details and make the video really exciting. As soon as you finish all the editing steps and make sure that each element looks harmonious, your video is ready for export. Now you export the video. Also, strive to improve the quality of your videos and regularly post new videos to increase the number of views. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me in the wave of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me. Grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.